Imagine a weapon that can stay in the sky for more than 24 hours, silently watching from high above, tracking its target without ever being seen. A machine that doesn't need a pilot inside the cockpit. A machine that can fly thousands of miles away while being controlled from the ground. And when the moment comes, it strikes with deadly precision. This is the MQ-9 Reaper, one of the most powerful combat drones ever built by the United States. In modern warfare, the battlefield is no longer limited to tanks, jets, and soldiers on the ground. Now, the sky is filled with unmanned aircraft that can observe, track, and eliminate targets with extreme accuracy. Among them, the MQ-9 Reaper stands out as one of the most feared hunter-killer drones in the world. In this video, we will explore everything about the MQ-9 Reaper, from its origins, its incredible technology, its deadly weapons, and how it has changed modern warfare forever. The birth of the Reaper. The story of the MQ-9 Reaper begins in the early 2000s. Before the Reaper, the United States relied heavily on another famous drone, the MQ-1 Predator. The Predator was originally designed for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Its job was simple: watch the battlefield from above and send real-time intelligence back to commanders. But soon the US military realized something important. What if the drone could do more than just watch? What if it could also strike? This idea led to the arming of the Predator with Hellfire missiles. However, as effective as it was, the Predator had limitations. It was relatively slow, it couldn't carry many weapons, and its payload capacity was limited. So the US Air Force wanted something bigger, faster, and much more powerful. That's when the MQ-9 Reaper was born. Developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, the Reaper was designed as a true hunter-killer drone. Unlike the Predator, the Reaper was built from the beginning to perform both surveillance and attack missions. And when it entered service in 2007, it changed the future of drone warfare. A drone built for war. At first glance, the MQ-9 Reaper looks like a small airplane. But don't be fooled by its appearance. This drone is a sophisticated war machine packed with advanced technology. The Reaper has a wingspan of about 20 meters, which is roughly the size of a small passenger aircraft. It is powered by a turboprop engine that allows it to fly much faster than earlier drones. While the Predator could reach speeds of around 135 miles per hour, the Reaper can fly at nearly 300 miles per hour. But speed is only part of the story. The Reaper can fly at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. That's higher than most commercial airplanes. From that height, it can monitor large areas of land without being detected. Even more impressive is its endurance. The MQ-9 Reaper can stay in the air for over 27 hours on a single mission. That means it can watch its target for an entire day before making a move. This ability to loiter over the battlefield makes it one of the most effective surveillance platforms ever created. The eyes of the Reaper. What truly makes the MQ-9 Reaper deadly is not just its weapons, it's its sensors. The drone is equipped with advanced surveillance systems that allow it to see in incredible detail. Its main sensor is the multispectral targeting system. This powerful camera system includes high-resolution daylight cameras, infrared sensors for night vision, laser rangefinders, laser target designators. With these tools, the Reaper can track vehicles, people, and even small movements from miles away. It can operate during the day or night, in clear skies or bad weather. Some versions of the Reaper are also equipped with radar systems capable of scanning large areas of land. This radar can detect moving targets such as vehicles traveling across deserts or open terrain. All of this information is transmitted in real time to operators on the ground. Thousands of miles away, drone pilots sit inside control stations, watching live video feeds from the Reaper. They can zoom in on targets, track movements, and decide exactly when to strike.
Weapon away. 32 seconds. Splash.
Deadly weapons. While the Reaper is a powerful surveillance platform, its true power comes from its weapons. Unlike earlier drones, the MQ-9 Reaper was designed to carry a large arsenal. The drone has multiple hardpoints under its wings where weapons can be mounted. These weapons include AGM-1-14, Hellfire missiles, GBU-12, Paveway-2, laser-guided bombs, GBU-38, JDAM precision bombs. The Hellfire missile is particularly famous. Originally designed as an anti-tank missile, it has become one of the most widely used weapons in drone warfare. When fired from the Reaper, the Hellfire can destroy armored vehicles, buildings, or enemy positions with pinpoint accuracy. The Reaper can carry up to 8 Hellfire missiles at once. In addition, it can carry guided bombs that weigh hundreds of pounds. This makes the MQ-9 Reaper far more heavily armed than the Predator. In fact, the Reaper can carry over 1,700 kilograms of weapons and equipment. That's enough firepower to support ground troops in combat missions. How the Reaper is controlled. One of the most fascinating aspects of the MQ-9 Reaper is how it is operated. Unlike traditional aircraft, the drone has no pilot inside. Instead, it is controlled remotely from ground stations. These control stations can be located thousands of miles away from the battlefield. For example, a Reaper flying over the Middle East might be controlled by pilots sitting in the United States. The control team usually consists of 2 main operators, a pilot and a sensor operator. The pilot controls the aircraft's flight path. Meanwhile, the sensor operator manages the cameras, sensors, and weapons systems. Communication between the drone and the control station is maintained through satellite links. This allows operators to guide the aircraft across long distances and perform precise missions. Despite being unmanned, flying a Reaper requires extensive training. Drone pilots must understand aviation, navigation, and combat tactics, because even though they are not physically in the aircraft, their decisions still determine life or death outcomes on the battlefield. Reaper in combat. Since entering service, the MQ-9 Reaper has been used in numerous military operations. It has played a major role in conflicts across the Middle East and beyond. The drone has been deployed in Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, Somalia, Yemen. In many of these operations, the Reaper has been used for counter-terrorism missions. Its ability to stay in the air for long periods makes it perfect for tracking high-value targets. The drone can monitor suspects for hours or even days. Then, when the moment is right, it can launch a precise strike. This capability has made the Reaper a key tool in targeted operations against militant groups. But its role is not limited to attack missions. The Reaper is also used for intelligence gathering, battlefield surveillance, close air support for ground troops. Because of its advanced sensors, it can provide commanders with real-time intelligence during military operations. Global operators. Although the MQ-9 Reaper was developed by the United States, it is now used by several allied countries. These include the United Kingdom, Italy, France, Spain, the Netherlands. Many nations are interested in acquiring the Reaper because of its proven effectiveness in modern warfare. However, exporting armed drones is tightly controlled due to international regulations. Despite these restrictions, the demand for unmanned combat aircraft continues to grow. Countries around the world are investing heavily in drone technology. The future of drone warfare. The MQ-9 Reaper represents a major step in the evolution of modern warfare. But the technology continues to evolve. The United States is already working on next-generation drones that will be even more advanced. Future drones may feature artificial intelligence, autonomous flight capabilities, stealth technology. These developments could allow drones to operate with even greater independence. Some experts believe that future battlefields may be dominated by unmanned systems, aircraft that can fly longer, react faster, and operate without risking human pilots. The Reaper is only the beginning.
And while we're conducting surge operations, you see a flurry of activity, and it is not something that you can do by yourself, but it takes a very well-built and well-structured team.
The MQ-9 Reaper represents a major step in the evolution of modern warfare. But the technology continues to evolve. The United States is already working on next-generation drones that will be even more advanced. Future drones may feature artificial intelligence, autonomous flight capabilities, stealth technology. These developments could allow drones to operate with even greater independence. Some experts believe that future battlefields may be dominated by unmanned systems, aircraft that can fly longer, react faster, and operate without risking human pilots. The Reaper is only the beginning.